שלום מאתר גאדג'ט גורו.
יש לנו אורח של מנהל מכירות אזורי של אסוס בישראל, ואחד מהם מהדגמים החדשים ביותר, שהגיעו חלקם ישירות מסביט. מיסטר איתן סן.
But I'm sure there are many things you don't know about it. So I would like to take this chance to introduce a little bit with you. Okay, this is Asia.
UK.
I'm from Taiwan. Taiwan is here. Israel is here. This is on the two corners of Asia. Okay? This is Taiwan, this is Israel. Although we are very far away, 5,000 miles away, but it's very, sometimes we can say it's a very similar. Israel plus Taiwan is IT. Why? Because people call Taiwan as the Silicon Valley in East Asia, and we call Israel is also a Silicon Valley, right? Today I had a meeting with Intel, and I'm really surprised that they have 8,000 employees in Israel. They have R&D, they have manufacturers, a lot of people, and we are both small countries, but we have big influence in the world. You understand Israel very much. In Taiwan, we have very good IT technology, like asus brand. There's another very good computer brand called Acer, is also from Taiwan. For the softwares, antivirus, we have Trend Micro, and we have Giant. Is a very world #1 bicycle brand. Okay, these kind of things. Situation somehow, we are both surrounded by the enemies. Okay, asus is a company. We start from motherboards. We are #1 global market share for motherboard for many years already. So actually, we have a very aggressive goal to have 50% market share in coming years. Maybe 3 or 5 years. And for notebook, we want to be globally #3 in 2011. We call it the 3-3 plan, which means in 2010, we want to be #4. And next year, we want to be #3. And this is the asus brand. You can see this is Pegasus. It's a very beautiful creature in the myth. We want to have products, have a spirit, the same to the Pegasus. It's very beautiful and very smart and very strong. That's why we use the name of Pegasus, asus, to be our brand name. And from this spirit, we have many innovations. Because today is about notebook, so we talk about notebook only. Like notebook, we are a leader in many new materials. For example, you can see, starting from 2003, we have a polycarbonate, and we have carbon fiber, we have diesel, we have bamboo. In 2008, and this year we have a new bamboo. As you can see downstairs, the second generation of bamboo notebook. We are also the leader in many technology applications, such as not every laptop with webcam, but asus is the first brand with a webcam inside the laptop. We are the first brand to have a TV tuner and a notebook with the double OS, which is two kinds of operating system inside the laptop. And we are the first one to use USB 3.0. And downstairs you can see the David Lewis X90. This is the first laptop. We have the two finger pad actually. This is a Karen Rashid. He is a very famous, one of the top designer in New York. He designed this image for us. The concept is to make this netbook not only a gadget, but also a very fashion decoration for especially women. And the chip designer of Ben Olufsen. His name is David Lewis. Ben Olufsen is the, as we know, famous studio for audio, very premium in the world. And he designed this NX90 for us. The concept is to make this laptop a complete entertaining system. Okay, so with this laptop, you will have a very good quality sound, very good quality video, and you don't need to buy an extra speaker. And the design is very good, so you don't need to. You can show off this machine inside your living room and bring it back to your rooms and watch a movie every time. Okay, when I talk about business performance, we are a global fund company. We won this award by Wall Street Journal Asia, #1 quality service, in 2007, I think. And Business Week from the US, they select 100 best IT company in the world, and asus is in this top 100 for 12 years already. And I think in 2008 we are #9. In terms of the notebook brand, okay, we are #2 there. The only one beyond us is Apple. Okay, but we don't really think it is a notebook brand. It's a very special company, Apple. Okay. We won a lot of awards in Taiwan, of course, because we're from Taiwan. Okay. And T3.com, they have magazines and a website. They say asus is you see, second most innovative company. #1 is Sony, #2 is asus. It's from T3 UK. This is in last year, I think. And the magazine in Hong Kong, it chose our CEO, actually Chairman Johnny, as the one of the most influential people in the IT industry. Staff magazine chose we as the computer of the year. Engage.com, editor's choice in 2009, both in notebook and netbook. I think you are all very familiar with this stuff and Engage. Okay, CES is one of the biggest computer show in Las Vegas every year. We win the best innovation award in this show. Okay, not only with very good innovation, we also have very good quality. It is something we are very proud of. This is Real Trade, a company in the United States. It's dedicating for the after-sales service for the big corporations like big corporations. And they did this study for 30,000 laptops to test the failure rate in 3 years. And the result is that asus is the lowest failure rate. Second one is Toshiba. This is a survey done by Real Trade in November last year. Okay. RescueCom is also this kind of company in the US. They also did a survey and found out asus quality. This is a survey done by this year. Actually, I have a survey done by last year, 2009. In that survey, we are #1, but this is an update one. We are #2, still very good, but I have to show the latest one to you. #2, only after Apple. Only February 22, very new updates. And it's saying that asus was definitely the manufacturer to watch in 2009 with skyrocketing market shipment percentage and very low number of computer support calls, which means our numbers increase very fast, but very few are with problems.
Kotem się na NT.